Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HandBrake to Premiere Pro for optimized proxies step by step clearly. Open HandBrake on your computer. Select the source that contains your video files. Choose the folder where your video files are saved. Drag and drop the video files into HandBrake. Under the Format section, select MP4 as the output format. In the Video tab, choose H.264 as the video codec. Set the frame rate to same as source for consistency. In the Quality section, move the RF slider to around 18 for optimal quality with smaller file size. Under the Audio tab, ensure the audio codec is set to AAC for compatibility with Premiere Pro. Add your desired audio track and adjust the bitrate if necessary. Now, navigate to the Filters tab. Ensure that all the filters are set to off to maintain the original quality. Next, go to the Dimensions tab. Check the resolution settings and adjust if necessary. Return to the main screen. Select the Destination section. Click on Browse to choose where to save your optimized proxy files. Name your output files appropriately for easy identification. Next, click on Add to Queue. Load the next video file and repeat the previous steps. Once all files are queued, click on Start Encode. Wait for HandBrake to finish processing your files. After encoding, open Adobe Premiere Pro. In Premiere Pro, go to File and select Import. Navigate to the folder containing the optimized proxy files. Select the files and click Import. Once imported, right-click on the clips in your project panel. Choose Proxy and then select Attach Proxies. In the dialog box, select the corresponding proxy files. Click OK to attach the proxies to the original footage. Now you can edit with the proxies for improved performance. After editing, you can easily switch back to the full resolution files for final rendering. Your workflow between HandBrake and Premiere Pro is now optimized for efficiency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.